Let's go, baby. Team on three. 1, 2, 3. Team. Rule on three. 1, 2, 3.
Cutback lane, keeps his feet inside the 10. Inside the 5, reaches for the goal line. Is he in? Yes, touchdown Giants.
Handoff, McFadden coming at right guard, pushing to the goal line. Touchdown Cowboys.
Time, sidearms one to the sideline. Intercepted by Dominic Rodgers-Cromartie. Running down the left side. He's to the 20, to the 10, to the 5. Touchdown Giants. Back goes Cassel. Heaves one down the left side for Terrence Williams. Underthrows it. Intercepted by Merriweather at the 1. Cassel in a shotgun set. Sidearms one over the middle. Intercepted by Dominic Rodgers-Cromartie. DRC with his second pick.
Snap to Cassel, first down pass. Throws it in the end zone. On the right side, Devin Street. Feed in. Touchdown.
One more drive. Hey, one more drive, baby.
Comes down to Harris at the goal line. He'll run it out to the 10. Harris across midfield. It's a foot race. 30, 20. Touchdown Giants.
You watch Des Bryant get in there, and then he follows Hardy down the sideline, and Hardy doesn't want to hear it.
Snap. Kicks it right down the middle of the field, but it sends Beasley all the way back to the 15. He muffed it. Recovered by the Giants. Miles White recovered it.
One of the keys to winning this game, when special teams show up, they make a difference. Hey, a win is a win, baby. A win is a win, baby. We win pretty, but we got it done.